Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I'm working on another one of my inky cards, index cards. This one's circles, and I really liked these circles, and I can't believe I covered them like entirely. You know, you just get carried away when you're painting. When you're creating, you just keep going. I think you see a few lines in the end. So, yep, today I decided to do some flowers. I didn't want to be trite and do the flowers right in the circles, so I off-centered them, and we're just going to put them right over the top of the other. And that's probably part of the reason why you don't see any of those inky marks in the background later. See a little bit, but you don't know what you're seeing. Just a little bit of black shadowing in the background. So again, I'm using my, I think it's Staedtler markers, the ones that bleed when they get wet. Because, you know, I can't stop doing it. One of these days I'm going to try it on watercolor paper and see how it works. And maybe refrain from letting it bleed quite so much. But I'm just adding layers of color. So I did the darker pink, and now I'm doing the lighter pink on the inside. What I should do is just take water to a brush and just brush inside the petal. That's another thing I should try. Maybe when I get to experimenting with that watercolor paper. And I decided to put a little orange in the middle. And then on the one, I'm going to put orange around the outer edges. In the end, yeah, I think you can tell a difference. So how is everyone today? It's a pretty good day here today. I just got done watering the lawn. Didn't water it all last week because we got some rain. I think it's a couple more weeks before they turn off the water. See, look, I just made it all just bleed into nothingness. Which actually looks kind of cool. I could have just left it. Just kidding. I can never leave things alone. So I'm going and re-outlining the petals so I remember where they all are. So I'm pulling out just some white craft paint. And we're going to put some white inside the petals. And it'll bleed a little bit of that color, but I think I end up doing a lot of coats of white. See, I'm already going over them again. So I can't say this one is my favorite, but it's just so much fun to create. I like to create art just because I enjoy the process. Not everything is perfect. Okay, nothing is ever perfect. I swear nothing ever ends up like it's in my head. Never. Of course, a lot of times, like this one, I don't really pre-plan. I just go for it. And I think that's so much fun. I know a lot of people call that intuitive. I guess it's intuitive. You just put it where you feel it should go. So there we've got a start. We could have left it there. But no, I have to add my neon colors. So we're going to put some green in the background. I'm just going over the top of everything, even if it's going to turn it a little brownish looking. I just keep going. So you have to let me know in the end, is there a spot where you think it should have stopped? Should I have stopped before I added the green? Does the green help? Does the next layer that goes on there help? I think I get into some of those gel crayons too on this one. I don't know. I think I looked at it at this point and thought, ugh. Even though there are some interesting spots, like where the circles are. There's a little circle with some orange on one side and green on the other. I kind of like the transition there. But it all ends up... I don't think you see that in the end. No, you don't see that in the end. Spice it up with a little neon yellow. How's that layer for you? I think what I was trying to accomplish here was to make it look like there might be some foliage in the background, giving a little bit of texture and some variety back there. I think that's what I was doing with the blue. And of course that blue is not neon, so we're going to have to go over the top of that with something. Decided my white was not sticking out enough. We want those petals to really come to the top. not a lot of that yellow left. So I'm pulling it out with my fingers. That white's going to be on there so thick it'll be dimensional. Not sure quite what to do with that mess, so I'm looking for black. And I'm hoping that drawing around these will make it all better. I'm trying to go around the color as well as the white. So yeah, I decide these flowers should be on stems. Maybe it was just the paint. I was thinking that was gel crayon, but just creating a border. Got my fingers in it. Well, I forgot I had done that, gotten it kind of wet, and let the colors bleed a little bit. Put on all those layers trying to make it white, and now here I am tinting it. It's all about the play today. So I'm just blending things a little bit, activating that black ink, just hoping it will make my picture more exciting. I do end up adding a word to this one, which you don't see me do, and the word is surprising. It's surprising that it's an actual piece at the end. Just kidding. I hope you liked that video. If you did, give me a thumbs up or a comment. Appreciate all your comments. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.